Hey everyone, Aiden here, and thank you so much for checking out the Fenrir Miniatures channel. I know it's been a long time since I've recorded anything new, so it's really nice to be bringing you guys something fresh. You're probably not really used to seeing my face, and I'm not really used to showing it, so we're all gonna have to get comfortable with that, because I'm going to be showing you some different sort of content than you would normally see on my channel. But before I go into all of that, I just wanted to show you something that I'm really excited about. Yes, Fenrir Miniatures has a new look. Meet Fen the Wolf Pup. Pretty early on when I started Fenrir Miniatures, some friends of mine gave me the nickname Fen, which is just a shortening of Fenrir. But I kind of stuck with it and going for something sort of fun and light-hearted. Thought it was time to sort of breathe some fresh air into the identity of Fenrir Miniatures, so this is what I went for, and I hope you like it. My plan for the channel going forward is to continue bringing you guys painting and hobby related tutorials, but also just to share some of my hobby insights and things like that. I've been commission painting for a total of 6 years now, so there's so much I've learned through that. And there's a lot of knowledge that I'd like to share relating to those things, like getting through big projects and things like that. So hopefully some topics that will help people get through their backlog, or pile of shame as we like to call it. But I'm also really interested to know what you guys would like to see. So please leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of tutorials and other sort of insights that you might like to see in video form, and I will do my best to bring them to you. My first video coming out though is a special one because this year marks 20 years since I started in the hobby, which is exciting and unbelievable. So I'm going to be sharing a bit about my personal journey, look at some models from the past, and just kind of talk about what's got me to this point. And I'll also be doing a giveaway to celebrate that, which is really exciting. Just a way for me to sort of give back to the community that's given so much to me. So once again, thank you so much for checking out the Fenrir Miniatures channel. Please subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on those future videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.